there, my name is Maricel. I'm a personal chef and here to inspire and support you with your diet. Today I'm going to share with you how to make pickles very quick and easy. Pickles are an easy and convenient way to add to your diet for that extra antioxidants and probiotic, plus it will help you with your digestion. To make pickles you can really use different kinds of vegetables like carrots, cabbage, radish or artichokes. You can also make a combination of all, and today I'm going to show you how to do it with cucumber. You could also use different kinds of herbs and spices to your pickles depending on your preferences and what kind of flavor you want to achieve. The ingredients I have used in this recipe are cucumbers, mustard seeds, pineapple vinegar, filtered water, and sea salt. Make sure that it is pure sea salt without any additives or preservatives. Now you can keep that as it is in the counter and taste one every day until you have the consistency and the flavors that you like. Once you have reached that point, just get rid of the liquid and keep it in the fridge. They are super delicious, crunchy and savory, and very flexible to add to your meals for lunch or dinner. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video.